right, hello families and students of Mr. Zortea's 5th grade class. Just checking in with you today to give you a little update on our homework for tonight. I'm going to give you more information as time goes on and as back to school night comes, but since I have assigned homework for tonight, I wanted to make sure that all parents and students knew exactly what the expectation was and how to get there. So, for homework right now, we are going to be using my Canvas page. So we would open up Canvas and go to the dashboard, as all your students know how to do. My class is called Zortea 5th grade math, so obviously we're going to click on that. As the thunder rumbles in the back. And this is going to open up to my website. Two important buttons here, the only two buttons. We have a Contact Me button, where if you click this button, it will immediately write an email to me, so you don't have to worry about typing in my email address. Boom, click that button, you're done. For right now, we're going to be using a weekly schedule. I might transition this into a monthly schedule since we have our brand new math curriculum. Some things might change as we get some new tools with our new curriculum, but for right now, we have our weekly schedule. So we're going to click this button to open up our weekly schedule. Now, most of this information is not going to be super useful now because we don't have our textbooks yet, but you're going to get an idea of what's going on. So obviously Monday, first day of school, we didn't have anything going on that day. Tuesday, we had lesson 0, session 1, and there was no homework assigned. This lesson 0 and session 1 is going to make more sense once we see our textbooks, and they're also available online. That information will be coming out at back to school night. So today was Wednesday. We did lesson 0, session 2. Today was just a basic review of multiplying 2-digit numbers. The homework for tonight is going to be this link, where the students have to get 3 correct answers. If it is taking too long to get 3 correct answers, I trust that you know where that cutoff line is, where we just need to practice more at home. Shouldn't be an hour of struggle.
At this time, YMCA,
I'm just going to wait for that to go.
You are now dismissed.
All right, so
Please send your YMCA students to the main office.
YMCA to the main office. So we're going to click this link called One at a Time, and it is going to open up. The students have already done this today. They already know not to put their answer in the blue boxes. They will put their answer in the orange box and then press Submit. For now, we're doing our work on a scrap piece of paper that can stay at home. In the future, we're going to have something different for that, but we're just starting to get into our homework swing. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. I don't want to stress too much about the math at this point. The key right now is getting used to the website, getting used to how we're going to be doing homework. Like I said, shoot me an email if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you. Have a great night.